and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. What a treat is in store for you today. My Tuscan pot roast. That's pot roast made with porcini mushrooms, porcini juice, and red wine. Delish. So this morning I got up early and I dredged my chuck roast in flour. It in the crock pot and let it cook for 8 long hours, so it's so tender. While that was cooking, I added some porcini broth from Porcini Daddy or bouillon cubes from Italy, which are readily available in the United States online or at specialty stores. And then I reconstituted my dried porcini mushrooms from Italy, chopped them, not too small, just in bite-sized pieces. And this is what we have as a result. Look at that goodness. Absolutely delicious. We have lots of beautiful porcini juice with the porcini mushrooms. That golden juice, absolutely delicious. I'm going to serve this tonight with mashed potatoes. And now I'll plate it for you so you can see how gorgeous this is and how you can slice it. Now, some people don't like to slice chuck roast. They just like to pull it apart. And that's very, Americana, and I love it. Plus, look at this. It's been cooking for so long. Quite frankly, I don't even know if I have to slice this. Look at that beautiful chunk. So this is how the pot roast comes out, the chuck roast, because it's been cooking for 8 hours. So it's very tender. I can't tell you, first of all, again, smell-o-vision. I wish you were here to smell this porcini broth. Absolutely delicious. But I can't tell you how rich and decadent this porcini sauce is with the porcini mushrooms. Absolutely delicious. So we don't want to miss any of the porcini. So what I do is just plate the pot roast, and now I'm going to scoop up the porcini mushrooms. Look at that. I have a good 5 ounces of porcini mushrooms in here, and that's a lot. So this is wonderful over pasta, wonderful over risotto, plain rice, wonderful over polenta, wonderful over mashed potatoes. Your choice. But make sure you get all this delicious juice and these porcini mushrooms. So this is Tuscan pot roast because the porcino mushroom, the majority come from the Tuscany countryside. Absolutely delicious. So, buon appetito. Tutti a tavola. Ciao ciao.